Liam and Sophie are discussing a recent news event and sharing their ideas and opinions on why these things are happening and what could be done to prevent them.
Hey, Sophie, did you hear about the flooding in California last week?
Yes, I saw it on the news. It's really devastating. So many families lost their homes.
It's heartbreaking. I think this is happening more often because of climate change.
I completely agree. The weather is becoming unpredictable. Too much rain in some places and not enough in others.
Exactly. And it's not just floods. There are also wildfires, hurricanes, and extreme heat waves happening more frequently.
Yes. And I think part of the problem is that people aren't taking climate change seriously.
That's true. Governments and big companies need to do more to protect the environment.
But it's not just them. I think everyone has a role to play. Small actions like reducing waste, recycling, and using less energy can make a difference.
Absolutely. But sometimes people feel like their actions are too small to matter.
I understand that. But if millions of people make small changes, it adds up.
You're right. Maybe we need to raise more awareness and educate people about the consequences of ignoring the problem.
Exactly. Education is key. People need to understand that if we don't act now, things will only get worse.
What do you think we can do to prevent this from happening again?
Well, for starters, we need better infrastructure, stronger drainage systems to handle heavy rains.
True. And maybe the government should limit construction in areas that are at high risk of flooding.
Good point. Also, I think cities should invest in green spaces to absorb excess rainwater.
That's a great idea. And we need to promote renewable energy to reduce our carbon footprint.
Yes. If we switch to solar and wind energy, we can cut down on pollution.
It's crazy that we have the technology, but change is so slow.
I know, but I think people are becoming more aware now, and that's a good sign.
Definitely. We just need to keep pushing for action and not give up.
Absolutely. What else do you think we can do individually?
We can reduce our carbon footprint, use public transport, drive less, and buy local products.
Good point. And we can also support companies that focus on sustainability and eco-friendly products.
Yes, and maybe even volunteer for community projects like tree planting or beach cleanups.
That's a great idea. Every little effort counts.
It really does. I just hope we can make a difference before it's too late.
Me too. But if we stay committed and keep educating others, we can create change.
Absolutely. Let's do our part and inspire others to do the same.
Yes. Together, we can protect the planet.